Ready to chill? Before we make our first batch of ice, let's check what we need to get started. Wipe the exterior with a soft cloth to keep it clean. Plug in the power. Pour clean water into the water tank. And press the timer or clean button for 5 seconds to start the 20-minute cleaning mode. After cleaning, move the machine to the sink, remove the bottom drain plug, and let all the water out. After draining, don't forget to reinsert the drainage plug. Are you ready to make ice? Keep a 6-inch clearance around the machine. Pour purified water into the upper water tank to prepare for ice making. If using a water bottle, we recommend a bottle opening diameter of less than or equal to 2 inches or 5 centimeters, with a capacity of less than 3 gallons. Don't forget to place the ice basket. The power indicator flashes when in standby mode. Press on or off to start ice making, and the fan-shaped light will begin to flash. It is recommended that you throw away the first batch of ice cubes. Ice cubes gradually increase until fill up and press against the ice barrier. The display will show the ice full indicator. Ice cubes do not form individually. Use an ice scoop to break them apart when retrieving. After removal, the machine will continue to make ice. Once the ice is made, don't store it for too long. Remember to scoop those ice cubes out, pop them in the freezer, and keep them nice and frosty. In standby mode, just press the on or off button once to kick off the ice making. While making ice, press on or off again to stop making ice. In standby mode, press the timer or clean button for 5 seconds to start the self-cleaning feature. Press on or off to stop cleaning. The indicator means there is insufficient water. Please check the water reservoir. When the indicator lights up, it means the ice bin is full and needs to move the ice. Standby mode. The power indicator sign is flashing, ready for action. Ice making mode. The power indicator sign is steady, while the fan indicator sign is flashing. Ice is on the way. Cleaning mode. The cleaning indicator sign is steady, keeping your machine sparkling clean. Temperature unit adjustment. Press and hold the plus or minus button for over 5 seconds to easily switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. In standby mode, press the timer button and use the plus or minus button to set the desired start time. During ice making, press the timer button and use the plus or minus button to set the desired stop time. Use the plus or minus button to adjust the ice making time and set the thickness of your ice cubes. A light tap is required to activate the adjustment mode. We hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or need any help, visit euhomy.com to reach out.